Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav and today I will discuss how you can record your Google Meet session, because as we know, during this pandemic situation every organization, university and college organizing online meeting as well as online teaching, and there are two applications which are mostly used by these organization. One is Google Meet and second is Zoom application. Okay, so Zoom application has already inbuilt functionality, so you can record your meeting, but in Google Meet there is no any such type functionality that you can record your meeting, and I am discussing about free version. And if you are using Zoom free version, so you can record your video, and but in Google Meet that is not possible. And I have already used many application, also try to record the Google Meet, but I never get succeed. But some day ago I find a application, and by using that application I can easily record my Google Meet also as Zoom. So here in this video I will discuss about that application, and this is third party application, and how you can use this and how you can record your Google Meet session, and you can watch whenever you want. Okay, so let me discuss. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to open the Google and just write free cam screen recorder. Okay, so when you search this term, so here you can get various links. So firstly you have to click on the first link. When you click on the first link, this page will open as like this. Now what you have to do, you have to provide email ID and just click on download. When click on the download, your download will start. So I am not going to do this because I have already downloaded, but let me show you. Click and download, so your download is start. So I have already downloaded, so here you can see, and installation after installing this is a symbol of that free cam software, also here you can see. Okay, so let me explain how basically this works and how you can use it to record your Google Meet session. Already here you can see the recent recording. I have used this application many times, and I am really very much satisfied. Yes, this is alternative software. By using that we can record our Google meeting. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click on the new recording, and when you click on the new recording, here you can see the dotted line. Basically this is tells the area of screen which that application is going to record. By changing this data you can change the screen means selected area. Otherwise there is other option by dragging, dropping and pulling, you can minimize the screen area also. Here you can see. Okay, so now what is meaning of this? Suppose you have selected this area, so basically this application is going to record whatever happening within this area. Okay, this is not going to record this area, this area, this area, because this is selector, and selector is going to decide which area you want to record. And by changing here also you can change the data. Suppose I have changed this press enter, so here you can see the selection area changed. So this is process. Here setting, you click on the setting, and this is F9 for pause and resume, and escape for stop recording, discard recording. So if you want to change, you can change as per your easy, and here you can find many advanced option also. And here if you click, so you will go want to also full screen select area option. So these are some. So this is basically selector, and this is going to decide which area you want to record. Okay, and whenever you select your area, click on this button, your recording will be start. And if you want to start, so just click on here, because when this will record, there is a done button. So let me just click on this. So here you can see the done button. So just click on this, and if you want to resume, just click on again. And if you think yes, your recording is done, then click on done button. Okay, so now I'm talking about Google Meet. So how you can start record Google Meet. So let me open the Google Meet. Here I have a link of Google Meet. So just click on this link, and I have clicked on this link. Let me close this. Okay, actually internet speed is slow, that's why it is taking some time. Okay, so here this is this was previous recording. So let me so here I have just click on the new recording. So just let me join this meeting, and I have joined this meeting. Now firstly I have to decide the area on which area I want to run this. Okay, so let me select the area, and I have selected this portion. Yes, I have to record this portion only. Okay, so by this pooling you can select the area. Okay, suppose and now I have selected the area. Okay, so this is area which I want to record. After selecting the area, just press on. Okay, so my recording is start, and what area. Okay, so and I think yes, recording is done. Then press on the done button. Now this is done. When you click on the done, this is going to generate a preview of that video. Okay, so and just let me close this meeting. Okay, so here you can see the preview of that video. Just wait for 1 second. A pop-up will open. So here you can see your video. If you want to run it, so just click on this, and whatever area is covered by this dotted line, so this is going to record that particular area. Okay, and so here if you want I think yes, recording is done. Directly you can upload on the YouTube done button, and here you can save as a video. So let me save as a video, and just select your destination or folder and just click on the save. Your video will be saved. So basically this is process how you can record your Google Meet. Now your video is saved, and whenever you want to see it, you can open it and see it. So let me play it again, so you can see yes, your video is recorded or not. So here and whatever area is covered by this dotted line. So this is way by following this step you can record your Google Meet. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel, share this video, also comment on this video. Thank you.